a very difficult moment for the people of northern Uganda, including the members of parliament here. You normally see us walking. We are very traumatized. That is a fact. We are very traumatized. We are going through a series of a numbers of events, an ending event, which is very tough for us. Sometimes when we walk, we don't feel good what is going on in northern Uganda. So we need the support of the government. It is my humble appeal that at this time, the Ministry of Health should come up openly with commitment, take serious responsibility to take this case very seriously. And I also feel that the ministry should take another level. If they can take a sample and take it out of the country, and then we get a result, what is the cause of this? Because the committee were saying maybe it is caused by the black fly. They are not yet sure. We want to have the evidence. We want to be sure what is the cause of this. So it is our humble appeal, the Right Honorable Speaker. We need the support of the government in this case. And then we also need the government really to follow up. You know, there are mafia who have taken northern Uganda to be their investment place. Any money taken to northern Uganda is being squandered. It's being taken. It's being taken. God will judge you for this. I'm telling you the truth. God will never spare you. Money meant for the vulnerable people who are supposed to support them at their livelihood, you squander them. You will pay for that. I thank you.
Thank you.